Fear and abuse are inevitable when something you don't understand happens, or it is given to you. You are more than likely to do the latter to Amazon's Echo Show 15 if it lands in your hands without knowing the full benefit. So here are top 7 ways to use the Echo Show 15 in a way you can truly appreciate it.
Tell me a joke.
What do you call a shark in parachute pants? MC Hammerhead.
Okay.
Number 7. Digital Decorator. You can employ the Echo Show 15 as a digital photo frame in any of the favorite spots around your home and, of course, one you and your family can easily gain access to. This is a cool feature and great use of the Echo 15's bright and appealing display. It is intentionally designed for that with its black outline and inner white bezels. What's more, you can choose to display photos from various avenues. This includes options such as displaying pictures from your phone, Amazon Photos, default seasonal, nature, travel, or art pictures, and even photos from your Facebook account. This feature will give your home the extra touch and get you feeling proud every time you pass by it. Number 6. Unique Profiles. The Echo 15 also allows you to set up unique profiles for yourself and your family members. It is a true family device, and while you stick with us, we will show you another exciting tip further down this list that proves it even more. With this unique profile setup, you can include your picture so Alexa can identify you anytime you approach it. This is possible because of the Visual ID feature, the first of its kind in Amazon's Echo line of products. The moment Alexa recognizes you, the device will adapt to your preset preferences for your convenience, and it will do the same for every other user. Number 5. A pair of extra eyes. Another awesome way the Echo Show 15 can serve you is to use it as a sort of security camera. And we say sort of because the Echo 15's 1080p built-in camera is not exactly meant to be one. But it's still a remarkable ability that helps you or your family members drop in through their Alexa app on the phone to see what is happening in front of the device. However, anytime such an activity is initiated, a message is displayed to notify the presence of such an activity. If you are the one being checked on, you won't be entirely in the dark. It would be best to incorporate an actual security camera to use it as a helpful security feature. That way, you can use Alexa's innovative picture-in-picture feature to check on your live camera feed even if you're doing something else on the device, such as watching a video or checking out a recipe. Are you intrigued yet? If you want to gain access to our frequently uploaded guide and reviews on the latest tech, I recommend you subscribe to our channel to never miss out. Please do it now before you forget. Number 4. Widgets, widgets, widgets.
I'm going to show you how to replace all of this with these widgets.
There are 14 widgets built in the Echo Show 15 setup. Therefore, you will not run out of things to explore and do with them. From calendars to weather updates to sticky notes and cooking widgets, the Echo 15 has got you on all sides. Yes, you can only display up to 6 widgets on the screen, but that is beside the point. You can use these widgets for all your appointment setups and reminders, news updates, and smart social interactions. For instance, you can create shared to-do lists or leave notes for the rest of your families, such as kids, on what to do when they return from school or tell them what you left for them behind the couch. If you think this cool, wait till you find out what you can do with the Echo 15 on a family night together in our last point. Number 3. Landscape or portrait. Imagine this. What if I told you you could use this 15.6-inch beast of a smart display as a phone? Yes, it is popularly praised for its presentation as a digital photo frame, but its dual landscape or portrait orientation can let you use it as a supersized smartphone. Its landscape mode is especially preferred for when you are watching videos, mainly since it uses the ideal 16:9 ratio for making those Zoom or Skype video calls. The portrait mode comes in especially when you plan to use it as a kitchen-specific device. This way, you can view more information simultaneously, especially when checking out a recipe, so you don't have to scroll a lot because we often have messy hands in the kitchen. Number 2. Your media haven. The Echo Show 15 is truly one of the best smart displays out there, and you should watch this video we made about it to find out why. But we will let you in on a bit of it in the meantime. As Amazon's latest technology in the Echo Show line of products, it is built to provide its users with the best video and sound media experience. For instance, using the TuneIn app, you can play music from Amazon Music, Spotify, Apple Music, or Deezer. You can also use its dual 1.6-inch speakers as a Bluetooth speaker for your devices. Additionally, you can watch your favorite movies or shows using native apps such as Amazon Prime or Netflix, or access other video media such as YouTube or ITV Hub through its built-in SOAP browser. The best part, you can control all of these with the voice control feature. Number 1. A family-made device. For our number 1 spot on the list, we will ride on what CNN had to say about the Echo Show 15. As a digital hub for the whole family, the Echo Show 15 impresses with a larger screen to help you effortlessly find information of all sorts, and acts as a great display for taking in content. From all that, we will focus on the keywords digital hub for the whole family. It truly is. From using it for karaoke nights to keeping in touch with each other to letting the kids set funny memos and listen to witty answers from Alexa, your family is in for a royal treat if you get an Echo Show 15 in your home. Give us a thumbs up if you think the Echo Show 15 is something you'd like to have one day, and a thumbs down if you think Amazon could do better. Until next time, take care.